If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter response error 88, don't worry. In most cases, this is a temporary rate limit issue and it can be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to get back in, step by step, so you can stop guessing and solve the problem fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, the simplest fix is to wait. Error 88 is often caused by hitting a rate limit, and in many cases, that limit resets automatically after about 15 minutes. So if you've been refreshing, logging in and out, or trying the same action repeatedly, give it some time and try again later. While you wait, don't keep spamming the app or browser, because that can sometimes make the issue continue longer than necessary. Next, disable any VPN if you have one turned on. X and Twitter can sometimes flag VPN traffic, which may trigger access or response errors. Turn off the VPN completely, then reload X and try again without it. If you're still seeing the error, try switching your connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and use your mobile data instead, then test X again. If that doesn't work, switch back the other way. Turn off mobile data and connect to Wi-Fi. Sometimes the issue is tied to the network you're using, and changing connections can help you get around the error quickly. After switching networks, open X again and try the same action one more time. In many cases, one of these simple fixes will clear error 88 right away. So just to recap, wait for the rate limit to reset, disable your VPN if you're using one, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data until the error stops appearing. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who's running into the same x.com or Twitter error 88 problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.